Hello everyone, today I would like to show you SAGA CNC beam saw. This is a heavy-duty industry model with air floating tables. Enable very easy transportation of material. Machine got a very big control interface. And you can set in all the parameters on the control panel. And certainly if you like, you can use the keyboard and the mouse to use. And we got the optional optimized nesting program. It will help for optimize the cutting and greatly minimize the waste. And this is the electrical cabinet of the machine. And you can see all the spare parts we are using this European brand, so it can ensure a very stable running of the machine. And let us open the door to see the saw unit. The saw unit is very heavy duty, the industrial model. It got a main cutting blade and a scoring blade. And this is the beam of the machine, and we are using very big diameter metal profiles to make the whole machine running stable. The machine got 11 pieces of pneumatic clamps, and more clamps certainly makes the work more flexible. The machine is equipped with a beer guiding system, which can make pressure on the panel and make sure your panel is good connect with the fence. Okay, let us see the performance of this machine.